So the first thing that you're going to notice is the lug nuts, right? You see how that thing looks in there? It looks kind of awkward and weird, and you've never seen anything like that before. Don't panic, that's not actually your lug nut. That's your lug nut cover cap. That's just a decorative plastic cap that gets removed, and then the lug nut is behind there. So we're going to remove those right now. Open up your back hatch and lift up your floorboard, and then we're going to get this little metal curly Q that's taped in here. They tape it in so it won't get lost, because these things get lost like all the time because nobody knows what the heck it is. So now with the tape out of there, we can pull this little metal curly Q out, and then also this little socket thing here is our locking lug nut key. We're going to need that for our locking lug nut. So now we take this little curly Q thing and we stick it into the middle of the decorative lug nut cover cap, and we hook it and we pull straight out, and you can see it just comes right out. And basically all you're doing is sticking this in there, hooking it, and pulling that cap off. I know it's kind of hard to see out here at night, but that's basically all you got to do is pull these caps off. Just be careful you don't scratch your wheel, because that little hook will grab the paint a little bit. So stick it in there, hook it, pull it out. Without this hook, it's really difficult to get this off. Flathead screwdrivers and Phillips head screwdrivers don't really work as well as this little metal hook. Alright, now that you have the cap off of the lug nuts, you can see the actual lug nuts now, and we see how that one on the top right is different than the other four. That is our locking lug nut, and we're going to need our locking lug nut key for that. So we'll take that, slide that in there, and just kind of turn it left and right until it locks into place. Kind of feel it lock in with your finger, and then we can start breaking our lug nuts loose. We'll just take our lug wrench here and stick it onto our lug nut, and then we're just going to push lefty loosey to loosen them up. We don't need to take them off, we just need to break them loose before we jack the vehicle up. And if they're on too tight and you can't get it by hand, you can always just take your foot and put it on there and push down, and that'll break it loose.